Hi, I'm Mike Wheeler, founder of Mike Wheeler Media, and I teach Salesforce online. I have a one-question survey that I need your help with. Now, this has to do with my upcoming course that I have that is all about helping you land your first Salesforce job. Now, I've taught over 50,000 students on the Salesforce platform, and thousands of those people have already attained their certification, and many have gone on to land their first Salesforce job. But I've also had many of you reach out to me and ask for help on how to land a job in the Salesforce ecosystem. And so that's why I'm putting together my next course to help you overcome these challenges. And so I've had a lot of conversations with my students in my Facebook group and online in various places. And there's been a lot of different challenges that are being reported in as far as challenges that you may face in landing your first Salesforce job. I've had students surprised that they're having to solution applications and being put to the test on scenario-based things, not on a certification test, but in the interview room being put on the spot saying, here's the challenge, how would you build this on the platform? And so I want to help prepare you for those types of scenarios. Others of you have reported that you've grown stumped during the interview process. That may be inside of the interview room you struggle, or with phone interviews, or not even understanding the relationship between the client and the recruiter and yourself. Now, each of these people have different motives, different hopes, dreams, and desires, as do you, and I want to help you understand those dynamics as far as dealing with competing goals. I want to prepare you to be able to complete the journey and start your career in the cloud on the right foot, and to succeed once you're there as well. That's what this new course is all about. Now, before I release this course, I want to make sure that I meet all the needs and not just some of them. So that's why I've got a one-question survey that I want you to fill out for me. What is your number one struggle in landing your own cloud-based career in the Salesforce ecosystem? And also be on the lookout for the next email from me later this week. We'll have more details on when this course is going to go live, and we'll open that up for enrollment. So please do me a huge favor and answer the one-question survey below this video.